Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Today I'm going to be reviewing a trade that I took on the 9th of November, so a little while ago, but wanted to review this trade. It ended up being very good for me and a super big green trade, but it was a very, very bad trade. It's one of the worst trades I've taken. So let's see what happens, let's watch it, and then I'll talk about it after the trade. Got stopped out there for one of my biggest green trades that I've ever had, which I was thankful for, but this was a very, very bad trade. Okay, so here's the trade in TradeZilla, showing my entries, where I got in and where I ultimately got out. I originally, with this trade, wanted to get in at a inflection point that I was playing around. I think it was this 436.50 level on this chart right here. It dropped below that really quickly, but I still got in for some reason. I still chased it, even though it just completely invalidated that inflection point. I still got in, and then it kept falling and falling and falling. So while it was falling, I was adding to it. I had no plan. I was just emotionally trading. I already had a pretty big red day before this. I think I was down like 50, 60, 70 bucks, something like that maybe. I was at the daily loss and I kept trading anyway. With this trade, it was just all emotions. I shouldn't have even taken this trade. It was a terrible setup. I should have closed my laptop, but I kept trading. So took this trade, kept adding as it kept going in the opposite direction, which is not a good strategy, but ended up working out well for me. And then it reversed, shot up right here. I got out for, a 30% win on 9 contracts. So one of the biggest sizes I've had. Got 270 bucks from that trade. It was awesome. It was great. But it was one of my worst trades. I could have lost a couple hundred on this trade. I had no risk management, no plan. It was just very emotional. So yes, I got lucky on this one, but if I keep trading like this and putting myself in these situations, I'm going to blow up my account. So I've learned. And I actually had another day kind of like this where I was just emotionally trading and I ended up losing this day right here on the 17th. I ended up losing 150 bucks. Just emotional, overtraded, and didn't really have any good risk management scaled up. And yeah, it was just a frustrating day. We are still up 333 bucks for this month, so still a good month. Yesterday we had a really good trading day. Today the market's not open because of Thanksgiving, so kind of bummed out about that, but it's good to take breaks. Nearly 50% win rate, which is really good for us. Overall for the account, it's at 30%, and we're down 1,300 bucks for the account since we started it. But for this month, we have nearly 50% win rate, and we've been very selective with our setups. We've been executing those well, and just focusing on taking those good setups, trying to get that win rate up, because honestly, we're just taking too many setups that were not quality trades. Like they weren't quality. We were forcing trades, trying to force the market to do what we wanted it to do, and that is a uphill battle that you can't win. So learned my lessons, and now I'm taking a step back, being patient, and waiting for those quality setups. Thanks for watching. Hope you all are having a great Thanksgiving with family and with friends, and just reflecting on the many blessings that you have. There's a lot to be thankful for, so I'm thankful for y'all, and thankful for the ability and the opportunity to make YouTube videos and to trade. And I hope y'all are doing well too. Hope trading is going well, and I hope you're in the green or learning some valuable lessons in the red. That's where the lessons are learned. So I'm kind of rambling on. Goodbyes can be tough. I'll see y'all in the next video.